Hello YouTube, I'm Jamie the Cleaner, and today we're going to be checking out Turtle Wax Max Power Car Wash. It has 3 different levels: moderate, aggressive, and extreme, depending on the ounces you put in it. Moderate has a pH of neutral, aggressive a pH of 8.5, and extreme has a pH of 10. We're going to be testing it right in the middle at aggressive. It says removes bugs, mud, and salt. Let's get to it. Alright, we got our foam cannon bottle, we got our bucket wash, and we're going to use 6 ounces to make it aggressive. We got our nifty cup with the ounces marked on the side. Got it from Walmart for like $1. Let's give her a shake. Six ounces into the bucket wash. Six ounces into the foam cannon. And I spilt it everywhere. Almost 6 ounces into the foam cannon. I don't know if that dilution's right, but it's gonna have to be today. So first, I have a different microfiber than the one I'm gonna use on the whole body. I got one I'm gonna use to pre-treat the bugs on the front, so that's what we're gonna do. Foam. Let it rest and then rinse it off as the pre-wash. As you can see, I think it made a pretty good foam cannon pre-rinse. Foamed up pretty good, way better than like a Purple Power, but let's see if it's just as effective. Bucket wash, we need to clean some tires, and that's what we're going to do right now. Now that the tires and wheels have been cleaned, it's time to use the good old-fashioned bucket wash with our Chanel microfiber wash mitt. Since it's in sunlight, we're going to be doing it 1 panel at a time and then rinsing. Let's make this happen. guys, we just finished washing. We pre-washed it. I did a bug treatment at the beginning. And my thoughts on the Turtle Wax Max Power Car Wash is it acted a lot like a pH neutral soap. I tried it on the Aggressive. You saw me put 6 ounces in the bucket, and I used the bucket as a pre-wash with a different microfiber mitt, and the foam cannon I put 6 ounces, and there are still bug spots that just would not come off. So my experience with this is it just was not strong enough. Maybe 9 ounces would do it, but I don't see how 6 ounces just wouldn't do the job. It acted like a pH neutral soap. Not great Turtle Wax, not great. It foamed up like a pH neutral soap. Foam cannon, it foamed up real good. So, you know, as a normal car wash soap, pretty good. As an aggressive, get the bugs off, get the road grime off soap, not so much. Turtle Wax, not impressed, but it was only $4 or $5, so still not a bad deal to get this much. This is 100 fluid ounces. So, pretty good deal for a pH neutral soap. My experience, I tried the Aggressive, did not work out so well. But we're gonna get her clean. If you want to try this product out and try it for yourself, I'm going to drop a link in the description. Subscribe. If you like this video, give it a like. I will catch you guys down the road.